Hi, good afternoon, everybody. I'm trying to block the sun. That's why I'm sitting completely awkward right now. But I want to share something with you this afternoon. Look what I'm so excited to be carrying with me, huh? A little WD-40 that completely matches my outfit. So why am I excited about WD-40, you ask? Or maybe you're not asking, but I'm going to tell you anyway. Because I had an aha moment last night and I was like, as a masters runner and all my friends that are masters runners, what if we were able to have WD-40 flowing throughout our bodies? Now, listen, don't try this at home. It says on the website, this is not a medically approved product, so don't be doing that. I want you to think about it. Like, what would it feel like if we could have WD-40 flowing throughout our bodies? Now, for most people know that WD-40, it is a multi-use product. Stops squeaks, protects against corrosion, loosens rusted parts, frees sticky mechanisms. I don't know about you. I just turned 50 and I got some sticky mechanisms, okay? So because I can't use this, what's the next best thing, you ask? Oh, I'm so glad. We're going to talk about the fascial system and working on our mobility as masters runners. And the last thing most runners want to do is do stretching or mobility. But we're going to talk in the workshop about training the fascial system. And it's super important. And honestly, it's really the key to longevity as runners and performance. Most people, it's not about more miles and it's not about more cardio and all of that stuff. And it's not necessarily a strengthening. It's really working on understanding that the fascia is a system, connective tissue system that covers our entire body. So you got to move your body in a way that helps move the entire system. So if you go to the link that's in my bio, I think I said that right. There's a segment, it's $37, you guys. We're doing an intro to the fascial system. You're going to learn what it is. You're going to learn why it's important for us masters runners. And we're going to learn how to train it. So we're going to have fun. Saturday, September 14th. I put the time in there. So make sure that you check it out. It's going to be really fun, and I'm excited. And I'll do a little bit better than hiding the sunlight here. But master your mobility as a masters runner, an intro to the fascial system. Again, the link is in the bio. Since they haven't figured out how to put WD-40 in the body yet, like I said, don't do it. Don't say Nicole told you to. We're going to help you figure it out through your fascial system. All right, so everybody have a great weekend. Go check out the link in the bio, or let me know if you have any questions. Jumpstartrunning@gmail.com, and I can't wait to see you September 14th. Bye.